Dark and light leather, where the colors transfer to each other? Most people haven't thought about it, but it happens. That's why we have to do the test ahead. Light, dark, light, and use a glass clip to be sandwiched and sealed, placed in a high-temperature, high-humidity chamber until 75 hours. Now I have the test results. So how do we determine the color fastness grade? Come here. All color-related tests are read in a professional color reading room. The technician sets the light to D65, which mimics natural light per national standards, and then it needs the GB standard color change reference card. The same fabric can look different under various light. That's why a fixed environment is required for accurate grading. Every reader has to pass a professional exam to get certified, and they are retested every 2 years. If you are colorblind, this job is probably not for you. For the passing standard, customer will tell us what the color's migration grade they need. We'll test strictly to your requirements. If the sample doesn't pass your standard, we will contact the fabric supplier to replace or return the whole of batch. This problem is completely detectable before shipment. Once detected, problem solved. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.